Have you ever wondered why financial goals matter? Imagine reaching your dreams effortlessly. Financial goals make that possible. In today's video, we'll explore what financial goals are and why they're crucial. We'll also cover how to set and achieve them, specifically for students like you. First, let's define financial goals. They are specific targets for managing your money. Think of them as a roadmap for your financial future. Setting financial goals helps you focus. It provides direction in spending, saving, and investing. Without clear goals, you may feel lost or overwhelmed. Now, let's break down the steps for creating your own financial goals. Step 1. Understand your current financial situation. Make a list of your income and expenses. This helps you see where you stand financially. Step 2. Identify your short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Short-term goals could be saving for a laptop. Medium-term might be funding a trip. Long-term goals include saving for college or retirement. Step 3. Make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I will save $500 in 6 months for a new phone." Step 4. Write down your goals. This makes them tangible. Seeing them daily keeps you motivated. Next, let's look closer at each step. Understanding your finances helps you recognize gaps. It feels good to know where your money goes. Identifying different types of goals creates balance. Short-term needs urgent attention while long-term goals take time. Making goals SMART adds clarity. A well-defined goal is easier to achieve. Your path to success becomes clear when you know exactly what you want. Writing your goals down seals your commitment. It's like making a promise to yourself. This small step can significantly boost your determination. For example, Emily is a student. She wants to travel abroad for studies. Her financial goal could be saving $1,200 over 2 years. She starts by reviewing her spending. Emily identifies unnecessary subscriptions she can cancel. Each month, she saves that money toward her goal. In 6 months, she has saved $600 by staying disciplined. By planning and dedicating time, she feels accomplished and motivated to continue. In summary, financial goals are your key to success. They provide focus and clarity. Follow the steps we discussed to set your own goals. Remember to keep your goals SMART and written down. Review them regularly to maintain motivation. Now it's time for action. Start crafting your financial goals today. You hold the power to shape your future. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And share your financial goals in the comments below. Let's achieve them together.